Hello everyone, first we're gonna section our hair into two, making a ponytail, then adding some more hair, adding two more rubber bands to it, further making ponytail with the remaining hair and then repeating the same with the other side as well and converting them into buns. Next we're gonna take a pony at the back, then adding this beautiful bow ribbon. With that we're gonna make two braids. Next, we're gonna start by taking one side, making a braid and then folding it, giving it this lifting effect and then joining it at the back with our pony. Next, we're gonna take two ponytails, one at each side and then converting them into bunch of braids by using these threads. And then you can see it's ready. Next, we are going to take hair from one side, then taking some more hair, adding 3 rubber bands and then further leaving the hair as it is. Next, we're gonna start by taking hair from one side, making 2 braids at each side, then joining them at the back and making this round shape bun and adding this beautiful ribbon at the back as well. Next, we're gonna start by taking a ponytail joined with 2 colorful braids. Then we're gonna join this beautiful rubber band and now you can see your hairstyle is ready. Next, we're going to take 2 braids by using colorful rubber bands, then folding it out into a round shape bun and adding this flower. Let's move ahead. Here we have added this headband and then we're going to take one side. We're going to start making a braid, then making another braid by taking all of the hair. Next, we're going to take a high ponytail and 2 braids as well. Then we're going to take the pony, converting it into a round bun and adding this beautiful clutcher. Next to our high ponytail, we're going to add this purple bow ribbon and then using that, we're going to make 2 braids out of it. With that, you can see your hairstyle is ready. Next, we're going to take 2 ponies, one at each side and then grabbing one of these, folding it out into a round shape bun and joining 2 braids to it as well, and it is ready. Next, we're going to take 2 ponies, one at each side and then taking a part of it, joining them together at the back and then repeating the same 2 to 3 times and adding the rubber band at the back. When it's ready, you can apply anything of your choice. Here we have added this beautiful red color bow and it is completed. Next, we're going to start by making a ponytail by using some rubber bands, further making a braid. Next, we're going to take 2 braids, one at each side, taking a pony and then dividing it into 2 braids and making a heart. Next, we're going to start by taking 4 ponytails, converting 2 ponies into braids, joining them with our ponies and then adding these ribbons, further folding them out into bun and it's done.